You can manifest money by yourself if you follow these steps. Welcome back. My name is Gideon Aisha Spiritual Tip here on this channel. In case if you are joining on for the first time, you are highly welcome. Please make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. Okay, I want to share with you guys how you can manifest money. Yes, you can manifest money at the comfort of your home if you follow these steps. Okay, so make sure you watch this video to the end so that you get the whole information on how you can do it. Okay, for you to manifest money, there are items that you need to have, and you need to believe in the universe and God Almighty. Okay, because money doesn't fall from heaven, but there are things you can do to make money come to you. Okay, to make money come to you, firstly, you need to have what you are doing. You need to have something doing. It can be business, it can be work, it can be anything that you are doing. Make sure your hand is doing something. Don't be idle. Okay, because if you are idle, there is no way you can receive this manifestation of this money. Okay, you need to have something doing, then you can practice this and you see it working for you. Okay, so for you to manifest money, make sure you have something doing, and make sure you buy these items I will show you on this video. Okay, one is coconut. I know everybody know what coconut is. Okay, you need to buy coconuts. Okay, and you need to get a coin. You need to get a coin, one coin, and you need to also get cowries, 2 cowries. Okay, 2 cowries. These are 3 items that you need to have for you to carry out this spiritual assignment of manifesting money. Okay, now when you get these 3 items, now this is how you are going to do it. Get your coconuts, break your coconuts. Okay, break your coconuts, bring out the water. You can pour it inside a plate, you can pour it inside bowl, anything that you have that you can use to pour in the water. Just break the coconut and pour in the water inside it. Okay, and when you pour the water inside it, when you pour the water of that coconut inside it, bring your coin, 1 coin. Okay, and add inside that coconut water. And also get your cowries, the 2 pieces of cowries, add it inside that coconut water. Okay, add the 3 items inside that coconut water. Now use that water and wash your hands. Firstly, you need to wash your 2 hands. As you're washing your hand, you'll be saying the amount of money that you want to manifest. Okay, the money that you want to manifest, make it in form of prayers. Say God, say the universe. Okay, that you want to achieve this money. That let this spiritual assignment that you are doing, let it work for you. Okay, use that water and be washing your hand. Okay, now after washing your hand, also use that water to wash your leg and also make prayers. Okay, say that wherever you step your foot, you will achieve so amount of money, that this is what you want this month, this week, this day. Okay, make sure you are saying something, and also wash your mouth. Okay, that your mouth will speak and it will come to pass. And anybody that you tell to do something for you, say something like a form of prayers. Okay, command the amount of money that you want, the amount that you want to have. Okay, you want to achieve on that spiritual assignment. You keep saying this. Okay, wash your mouth. Firstly, remember you wash your hand, your 2 hands, then your leg before your mouth. Okay, this spiritual assignment, you can do it anytime. It can be in the morning, it can be in the afternoon, it can be in the evening. Okay, anytime that you are comfortable to do it, you can do it right inside your home, inside your house. Okay, you do it. Okay, now you are going to do this assignment for 3 days. It should not exceed 3 days. Okay, now once it's up to that 3 days, you are going to take that coin and that 2 cowries. Look for a road, okay, where that people are busy buying things. That's a place that are crowded, like a place that is crowded. People are flowing very well. Okay, drop that 2 cowries on that road and use this coin and put inside your pockets. It can be your wallet, it can be your purse. Don't throw the coins away. Okay, because this is what we use as a point of contact, so that prayer that you make, okay, to use it as a point of contact to be attracting money inside your pocket. Okay, so place it inside your pocket. Okay, and remember, this coconut, you are going to buy it 3 for that 3 days. First day, first coconut; second day, second coconut; third day, third coconut. Okay, so you are going to buy 3 coconuts, but the calories and the coin, it will be the same. You are not going to buy any new one. You are going to use the same for that 3 days. I hope you understand it now. Okay, so after doing this, after you must have put the coin inside your pocket, okay, which is the last day, after you must have put the coin inside your pocket, which is the last day, look for where there are homeless people that don't have home, people that are helpless on the streets. Buy something for them. Okay, buy something for them. If you cannot buy something for them, you can dash them money. Okay, once you do this, once you can be able to do this, I give you assurance that the money that you will achieve, the money that you will receive after practicing these assignments, you'll be surprised how it will work. Okay, make sure you involve God and universe when saying your prayers on this assignment. Okay, you will see that you will receive a huge amount of money after doing this spiritual assignment. If you really want to manifest money, okay, and make sure that you have something doing. Like I said, make sure you have something doing. Don't be an idle person and do this. It's not going to work for you. You need to have something doing if you want this to work for you. Okay, so make sure you carry out this spiritual assignment, and don't forget to share your testimony when God blesses you in this channel. Okay, if you have any question you want to ask regarding this video, make use of the comment section so that I will reply you and tell you more on how you can do it. Okay, and if you have not subscribed but you like this channel, what are you waiting for? Just hit that subscription button and give this video a thumbs up if you like this video. Okay, if you want to talk to me directly, use the number showing on the screen so that we will talk. Okay, don't pick number from the comment section because of scammers. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.